Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the next video in the How to Apply series. Today we're talking about how to apply highlighter with some of my favorite tips and tricks. Highlighter is always the last thing I do when it comes to makeup. It is the icing on the cake. What I like to do is actually spray my skin first, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a setting spray. This is a really great trick to have your highlighter stay on better and even show up even more. So I'm just using a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my highlighter. The one I've been loving is a drugstore highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. Look at this bad boy, you guys. It is like a treasure, and I love the price point of it. I love a gold tone highlighting shade for me because I have a more golden undertone. I'm more warm tone. If you're a more pinky cool tone, then I would go for one that's a little bit more of a pinkier highlight. Like Becca Opal is one of the most gorgeous colors, and I love that shade on a more pinky cool tone skin complexion. So I definitely recommend that one. What I do is take a smaller brush. This is a little bit smaller than a blush brush and then bigger than an eyeshadow brush. It's kind of right in between. You can also use a fan brush, whatever you would like. And I'm using powder, but this one really looks like almost a cream when you apply it. It's just so easy and quicker to work with than a cream. I do love creams as well, but I'm going to show you guys with the powder today. So this is the last step in my makeup. I've already done my bronzer under here. My blush is right in here. Now for highlight, I want it to reflect exactly where light typically reflects on the skin. So on the high points of the cheeks, you can already kind of see I have almost like a natural highlight with the windows and everything. That's what I'm gonna enhance a little bit. So I've tapped off the excess, and I'm just going to turn so you guys can see. I'm focusing it mostly right on the top of that cheekbones, and I want it to blend with the top edge of that blush, and it kind of just ties everything together. That's why I want a smaller brush to really help me get control. And if you're using a cream, then you would just put in that same area, whether it's with your fingers or a sponge. And you just want to make sure that you're not leaving any finger marks behind. You're really making sure that there's no harsh edges and it's all coming together in this one area. I personally really like to take it right above the brow bone too, because you can see natural light is bouncing right off here. So I just kind of want to enhance where light is reflecting. I think that's always such a good reference point on where to highlight. You can put it on your brow bone as well. Highlighters make some of the prettiest eyeshadow shades. Like I take a little bit of this on my pinky finger, place it right in that inner corner. Look how pretty that is. I really could look like a disco ball in a matter of seconds. If you want, you can highlight the tip of your nose. This is always really flattering, just doing a tiny touch there, just to get a little emphasis on the tip of the nose. And some people like to do on the Cupid's bow. That actually makes the lip look a little bit fuller by doing so. I mostly like to focus mine on the cheek area. Do the same thing to the other side. So some people ask, why do you highlight, or what's the point of it? And it's just this extra step that really gives the skin a glow to it. It looks really beautiful in photos. It's definitely a little bit of an extra step, but it can be really fun to kind of change up your face, especially for me. I have very dry skin, so doing this makes me feel like I don't have dry skin. Play around with it and see if you like it, and if it works for you. Definitely the right kind of highlighter will be a big part of that if you find one you love, which this one I'm really all about. I mean, the golden undertone really matches me well, so you want to find the right undertone and then the right texture, whether that's powder or cream. So there you have it. That is my next video on how to apply highlighter. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear what your favorite highlighter is at the moment in the comment section below. Also, what video you'd like to see next in this series. Thank you all so much for being here as always, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.